Well, it's been a frigid Friday out there, folks, all across central Maryland. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Teller with Maryland's most accurate forecasts, and those frigid temperatures will set the table for snow as we get into the weekend ahead, and particularly on your Saturday and Sunday. Winter weather advisories in place for much of the state. Winter storm warnings down in southern Maryland, as well as central portions of Virginia and West Virginia. That's where they'll see the heaviest amounts going through your Saturday into the day on Sunday. So Saturday afternoon through Sunday, slick travel and schedule impacts. 2 to 4 inches of snow for most. Heaviest once again will be south of Baltimore, down across portions of the lower eastern shore, and also down there into portions of Virginia. Weekend snow, it's a southern slider, going to come across portions of Tennessee and Kentucky, and then out it goes by the Outer Banks. That high pressure system there is actually going to hold up a little bit of a fence and preventing the heaviest snowfall totals from coming north up here into the city of Baltimore, and as well as much of northern Maryland. Futurecast shows that snow moving in 2-3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and we'll keep with the heaviest snow early Sunday morning, and then things will quickly taper as the day rolls on. We'll go down to snow showers, and then it's all out of here by Monday. Things will improve. It'll be a little bit slick out there with temperatures hanging out in the 30s, and then we'll get a warm up in here on Tuesday. So 2 to 4 inches of snow for most out there across the region, but further south you go, down there in that darker shade of purple. That includes Patuxent River, as well as down there around La Plata and Waldorf, looking at 4 to 6 inches of snow. 23 degrees, increasing clouds, a layer alert in place overnight tonight. The cold will set the table once again for snow that moves in tomorrow afternoon with slick travel during the evening hours as temperatures hang out in the 20s. Snow for the front half of your Sunday, then we'll taper it down to snow showers and flurries for the afternoon. High temperatures back above freezing. Monday, 36 degrees, still a little slick, temperatures in the teens during the overnight hours. Tuesday and Wednesday back in the 40s with another cold shot by Thursday of next week. We'll have a detail of your forecast coming up tonight at 5 and 6. We hope to see you there. Don't forget to download our free mobile app, WMAR 2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store. Get ready for a little bit of snow, no need to panic, and have a great weekend ahead.